All right, guys, we got the ECOTREAD Fit Ride. This is a 3-in-1 treadmill. So this is going to be pretty amazing. We're unboxing it right now. And the cool thing about this is it's 3-in-1. So you can use it as an under-the-desk treadmill. You can also use it, and that's just going to be in walk mode. Then you have it where you can actually pull the top up like this, and that's going to be in walk mode. Then you also have run mode. The run mode's going to take you all the way up to 7 miles per hour. That's what sets this one apart, but there are many things about it. So let's just go ahead, check this out. First thing I want to show you is how easy it is to get out of the box. Look at this. Now, I've tested out several of these treadmills. None of them have an actual pad that goes on the floor. So the fact that you have that to set it on just makes it even better. This is a treadmill that could potentially take the place of your Nordic Track treadmills or your Peloton treadmills. So a much better value in that direction. I mean, this is an incredible value if it can work in place of those. So what we have is we have the instruction manual right here. We have your cup holder right here. So all we do to get this out of the box, we just step on each side and it opens up. And what this allows is a lot of these are going to be purchased by women. And you want to make sure you can get it out without having to like actually pick it up. It is relatively lightweight, but you can literally just roll it straight out of the box like this. Roll it right over the pad there. Boom. So that's how easy it is to get out of the box. Now I'm going to get it set up and show you how this works. All right, so wanted to show you a different way to pick it up. You can pick it up like this, super light, and it just slides right onto the pad. Again, I think the pad's just a nice touch. And we're going to plug this in. This thing has so many more features than any other treadmill I've tried out. And it's insane, actually. So first off, we're going to show you this way. Now, this is full walk mode, like kind of where you got your desk here. And we've got the remote right here. Basically, the remote has power, speed up, and speed down. So you can see it's starting up. We hit power. Just starting at 0.6 miles per hour. It shows you the calories burned. Also shows you the time. And it's also going to show you the distance there. So it's going to cycle between that stuff. You can see I'm upping the speed right now. And so it max goes up to 3.8, which is a walking speed. That's the absolute fastest it'll go because we're in under desk mode. So this is where you're like working on your desk. This is a very nice treadmill. Super padded. It feels extremely stable. I can see why this could be used for like Nordic Track and Peloton stuff. Let's go ahead and now bring this up. So in order to bring this up, all we do is hit those right there. That loosens this up. And now we can bring this up. Now what we do is lock those back in place and it locks down. Now it's stable. Now, this is another cool thing. We have a device holder right here. So you could put your iPad here, or we'll just go ahead and put the phone there. So we've got, now that we have it in upright mode, we can use this for running if we want. So all we do is we apply that emergency stopper right there and put the other part right on your body so that if you slip or something like that, it'll automatically emergency shut off. And what I'm going to do is try to connect to the Bluetooth now. Let's see. There it is. All right. So we have speakers down there, guys. This is high fidelity. We can actually listen to music while we're going. All right. So we've got some Spotify playing. I think this is a song that isn't going to be picked up by copyright. So, dude, what do you think of the sound?
That was great.
The sound is super good. So you can easily run your favorite show. You could run a Peloton app right on here so you can work out with your Peloton person without forking over the amount of money that you would typically need to do that. Now, let's get it started. Here we go. Press that, and we're starting up. Cool thing about this, we can run it with the remote, or we can run it straight from here. This thing's innovative, dude. This is the way we dial up the speed. Oh. And because we're in upright mode, we can go all the way up. I'm going to step on the side. We can go all the way up to 7.6 miles per hour. And it's going to run through distance, speed, calories burned. And you can see this thing's going. Actually, you know what? Just to prove it, I want to show you. Because what sets this one apart is the fact that you can actually legitimately run at a pretty high speed on this. This is where it definitely meets its value. The fact that you can do this with Peloton and Nordic Track programs is an incredible value. This thing adjusts to the side, angles up and down, so you have that. All right, and lastly, come right over here. Right here, this is where you can check your heart rate, and you can see, we'll scan back through. You'll be able to, it'll scroll through and show my heart rate. Probably the next one, I think. There you go. So you can see my heart rate's 71 right now. That's very cool, dude. I'm going to be straight up. None of the treadmills I've tried out are this stable. Come with a walking pad, lock up, lock down, have an emergency stop, have a cool way of adjusting the speed, allow you to have your device. This thing does it all, and it is probably the nicest treadmill I've ever tested as far as an at-home treadmill. Again, I showed you how lightweight it is. Straight up. Oh, you know what? It's got everything but a cup holder. No, it's got a cup holder. This thing has absolutely everything you need. I actually talked to the owner of this company. They're doing a really good job differentiating themselves, and I think this is probably the treadmill for you.